Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to hide likes on Instagram application by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open your Instagram application, and after that sometimes you will be bring into the home section, but now you need to jump into the profile section by click this part. And after that you just need to go click these three straight lines right here and just scrolling down until you find the setting and privacy. Then you just need to click it. To hide the likes, you just need to scrolling down until you come into the what you see boxes right here, and after that you just need to go into the like account and activate this button. And now you already hide the likes and share accounts on your profile for every content. So that's the way how to hide likes in Instagram application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.